Alright everyone, in today's episode we want to show you how to make a Mediterranean pasta salad. We begin with a pot of salt water, which we bring to the boiling point. Then we add 250 grams dried pasta. Boil your pasta until it's soft and edible. This should take between 5 to 10 minutes depending on the pasta you use. When your pasta is ready, rinse it with cold water and remove all the water from the pasta. We directly add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil to prevent the pasta from sticking together. To bring some spice and color into your pasta salad, we go on with 2 red onions, which we first peel and then cut into small pieces. Now we need 2 bell peppers. Cut off the top and bottom of the bell pepper and remove all the green and white parts from it. Now cut your bell pepper into small pieces and add them to your pasta. We go on with 6 middle-sized tomatoes. Cut them to a similar size as your bell pepper pieces and add your pieces to your pasta. Also, very important for a Mediterranean dish is a clove of garlic. We chop it into very fine pieces and give it to our other ingredients. Now we take 200 gram feta cheese and cut it into small cubes. We also add the feta cheese to our pasta. Then we need some herbs. We choose some branch of rosemary, thyme and parsley. We remove the wooden stems of rosemary and thyme and chop them into very fine pieces. Add your herbs to the pot and your pasta salad is almost ready. We finish our recipe by adding a pinch of salt and pepper and also give 2 to 3 tablespoons of herb or white wine vinegar to our salad. Mix everything well and your pasta salad is now ready to serve. This classic salad is a very good side dish for a barbecue, for example. Have fun to reproducing it. We hope you like our recipe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Over and out.